Hi everybody, Luis here from Lowepro. This is the ProTactic BP350AW. Let me talk to you about how we've improved upon and expanded on a great original. This is still the same great ProTactic you're used to with an ultra-rugged form shell top, tactical attach system, 4 points of access. We've also improved the harness system, we've improved access, and we've improved the interior divider system. And we did this by squaring up the shape to be more efficient on the interior, making the top and side access just a little bit bigger to fit the updated cameras that you can buy today. We have gone through and added a number 10 zipper to this back so it runs more smoothly, more efficiently on the back. So bigger pockets, better zippers. Side pockets are even updated, so these are larger for better access to more stuff on the sides. The tactical attach system is still the same ultra rugged ribbed webbing that we used in the past, but we've added a vertical webbing here. This allows you to take the horizontal accessory straps and attach them, loop them below here and to the back and have just a tighter space to keep your tripod a little bit tighter when you attach it to the side. If we flip this around to the back, you'll see that we have a new contoured shoulder strap system. This is a different shoulder strap from the previous version. It's more padded, more comfortable. We've got a new updated corrugated active zone system. So these are targeted foam pads. And we've also added a trolley strap here so you can take this and attach it to a rolling luggage. The waist strap is updated to a 38mm belt. It's still removable like it used to be, but we've added another feature here, which is to say we've put tactical attach straps on the belt. You can take this belt off, leave the backpack down, and use the belt as a utility belt by attaching the included accessory pouches. So let's get to the inside and start talking about those features. So you can see with the new squared up interior, we have a lot more ways to put in the dividers, and we've done some work to make that possible. The dark gray dividers are structural. We have a light gray standard divider with max fit, and we have some extra special orange dividers. This is a pocketed divider, good for lens caps and small items, and this is a horizontal attached divider. Main dividers can now run horizontally or vertically in here, and your setup is much more adaptive, so I can have an attached 7200 through the top and still have a pro body with a camera on the bottom. Lots more ways to configure the dividers. This is the accessory system. So you can see if you want to carry more than the bag itself will hold, we have an accessory pouch. This attaches to the exterior via slip lock to all the tactical attach points. Inside here we also have 2 accessory straps, great for attaching tripods and other items like a DJI Ronin, etc. to the exterior. We have got a tripod cup. Put this at the bottom to keep your tripod stable. And we've got a water bottle pocket. So this bottle pocket still has a little weep hole in the bottom for condensation. It's also a great place to just quickly drop whatever you need to put in the bag. These all will attach to that waist belt, so you've got a little modular utility belt system built into the ProTactic. Looking at the laptop pocket, we still have a dedicated laptop zipper. This is really important to photographers because they can just open the top zipper, open this up, and get their laptop out when they're going through TSA screenings. And we've updated the organizer pockets with a much clearer mesh pocket. Makes it a lot easier to see what you've got inside of there. And on the bottom of the bag, you'll find an easy grab handle. It's great for getting out of an overhead storage, as well as a pocket for the all-weather cover. This is the updated BP350 and accessories. It's also compatible with a series of expanded ProTactic accessories you can look for, and there is the bigger size in the 450.
Meet the Camera Backpack 25 liter. This bag can meet the needs of everyone. And when we say everyone, we mean it. Easily switch from a full photography build out to the perfect everyday bag with no camera gear. The number one feature of this bag is its customization. The cubes, dividers, and adjustable ladder system give you unlimited possibilities. At checkout, you can add dividers, one small cube, two small cubes, one large cube, or a combination of cubes to keep your systems built out to make swapping gear seamless. We thought carefully about how you would access your gear. Easy top access, external laptop access, full back access, and a magnetic door to access top gear from the back. Moving to the outside of the bag, external carry water bottle pockets that double as tripod pockets, durable water-resistant materials and zips, comfy handles and straps, EVA molded back padding including a roller luggage pass-through. The features go on and on and on. For a list of all the features, check out our campaign page below, and don't forget to...
Peter again?
John, sorry.
Hey.
One more thing.
Yeah, what's up?
So in addition to the smaller everyday backpack, can we just make like an even smaller bag to carry like just my camera?
Wait, so like just your camera?
Yeah, if I want to go out and mob on the four-wheeler, but I don't want like the big backpacks, just like a small sling bag that holds exactly what I need.
A sling bag.
Yeah, throw it around your back. Quick access.
A small sling bag just for your camera.
And a little bit, like a GoPro, an extra battery, an SD card, the necessities. I don't know. Is that possible?
Meet the Camera Sling 8 liter. Same great external materials and comfort with enough space to carry just what you need, and external carry for when you need to carry a bit more. We've built the opening with a rigid wireframe construction and a quick latch system to make accessing and closing the bag a breeze. On the inside of the door, we've added a few pockets to keep all the small stuff organized. And what?
Hey, sorry to interrupt again. Speaking of all the small stuff, maybe we can get like a better organizer?
A better organizer?
Yeah, you know, like a little case that perfectly holds all the little things and batteries and SD cards and action cams and chargers and cords and you know, that kind of stuff.
Meet the Camera Tech Organizer. This organizer is made of the same durable and water-resistant materials and zippers as the other bags, and is packed with pockets and organization for all the little stuff. SD cards, cords, card readers, action cams, chargers, adapters, lighting, and so much more.
What? Oh, John.
What now, Pete?
I'm just kidding. You guys nailed it.
Thanks, Pete.
Bye.
Wait, while I've got you, for our next product, what if we created a